Hello, this is Kenny from Moto Racing. Today we're going to show you how to replace the post start with an electric starter. After removing the post start, take the engine and the back plate of the electric starter. Notice that the round copper ring will be on the right hand side. We then take the main gear, and the main gear will have a long center and a short center. We take the long center and we place it onto the one-way bearing. We then take the drill gear and we put it onto the right copper ring. After which we take the front cover and we tighten up all the screws. Then we finish with that. Next, we take the electric starter, take the shaft. There will be a hexagon end and a round end. We take the hexagon end and put it into the machine. And we'll put the round end into the electric starter. And we press the button. The electric starter now works. Thank you for watching.